Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing WhatsApp on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon, type in Microsoft Store. Best result should come back on Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. And now in the search apps field up at the top, type in What's. When the best result should come back with WhatsApp desktop. Go ahead and open that up. And now select the Get button. So go ahead and left click on that. And it shouldn't take too long. I think it's about a 150 megabyte download. And then go ahead and select Open. And now it should allow you to go ahead and sign in at this point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.